Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. Today we're diving into a machine that proves one simple truth. If someone looks at a perfectly respectable 1930 Ford Model A and says, "You know what this needs? A roaring V8 and an automatic transmission," you should probably give them the keys and stand back. The 1930 Ford Model A Custom Coupe isn't just another restored classic. It's a hot rod with enough personality to make modern sports cars nervous at a traffic light, and enough vintage charm to make grandparents smile before asking, "Wait, Ford never built them like that, did they?" That's exactly what makes this bright yellow coupe so fascinating. It respects history while refusing to be trapped by it, creating a blend of old-school style and modern drivability that turns every fuel stop into a car show. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. It costs less than rebuilding a flathead Ford, takes less time than explaining carburetors to your cousin, and unlike arguing with strangers on the internet, it actually improves your day. Let's jump back nearly a century, discover how one of America's most beloved automobiles eventually inspired builders to create customs like this spectacular coupe. When Ford introduced the Model A in late 1927 as a replacement for the legendary Model T, America was entering a completely different automotive era. The Model T had conquered the world by making transportation affordable, but by the late 1920s, customers wanted something faster, more comfortable, more stylish, and easier to drive. General Motors had been introducing annual styling changes and more sophisticated engineering, while buyers expected automobiles to become symbols of personal success rather than simple transportation. Henry Ford resisted change for years, but eventually accepted that the aging Model T could no longer dominate the market. The result was the Model A, introduced for the 1928 model year and remaining in production through early 1932. Manufactured primarily in the United States, but assembled in dozens of countries around the world, the Model A represented an enormous leap forward for Ford Motor Company. Although Henry Ford remained heavily involved, development relied upon a large engineering staff that modernized virtually every aspect of the company's mass-market automobile. The car featured fresh styling, improved safety, stronger brakes, better suspension, modern controls, and significantly improved performance compared to its famous predecessor. The public response was overwhelming. Crowds gathered outside Ford dealerships simply to see the new car. Newspapers devoted front-page coverage to its arrival, and customers eagerly placed deposits before many dealers even had demonstration vehicles available. During its production run, Ford manufactured well over 4.8 million Model L automobiles in numerous body styles, including roadsters, sedans, phaetons, pickups, station wagons, and elegant coupes. That production volume transformed the Model A into one of the defining American cars of its generation. The timing, however, created an unusual historical contrast. Early Model S sales benefited from the booming economy of the late 1920s, but only months after production began, the Wall Street crash of 1929 triggered the Great Depression. Suddenly, automobiles represented both necessity and optimism. Families struggled financially, yet many still viewed reliable transportation as essential for work and daily life. Ford's relatively affordable pricing helped the Model A remain attractive despite difficult economic conditions. It became a familiar sight everywhere from crowded cities to remote farms, carrying workers, merchants, doctors, teachers, and entire families across America. Today, thousands of Model As still survive thanks to enormous production numbers, enthusiastic collectors, and an unmatched aftermarket community. Replacement parts remain widely available, restoration knowledge has been preserved for decades, and countless clubs continue celebrating the model worldwide. That availability also explains why the Model A became one of the most popular foundations for custom cars. Builders discovered that its classic proportions, simple construction, and strong aftermarket support made it an ideal platform for personalization. Some owners pursued historically accurate restorations, while others dreamed of combining timeless styling with far more powerful mechanical components. That's exactly where customs like this 1930 Coupe enter the story. Rather than preserving every factory detail, skilled builders imagined what could happen if Ford's graceful bodywork met decades of engineering progress. Instead of sacrificing reliability for nostalgia, they created machines capable of comfortably cruising modern highways while still looking like rolling pieces of American history. It's automotive time travel with better brakes, smoother shifting, and enough horsepower to surprise anyone expecting a leisurely antique. Under the bright yellow body of this particular custom coupe sits the upgrade that changes everything: a V8 engine, replacing the original four-cylinder power plant. While the auction listing identifies the engine simply as a V8 without specifying displacement or output, the difference in character is immediately obvious. The factory Model A originally relied on a modest inline, four designed for dependable transportation rather than exhilarating acceleration. Installing a V8 transforms the coupe into something its original engineers could scarcely have imagined, providing smoother operation, stronger acceleration, richer exhaust sound, and effortless highway performance. Equally significant is the automatic transmission. During the Model A's original production years, every driver needed to master manual gear changes. This custom removes much of that vintage learning curve, allowing effortless driving in modern traffic without constantly operating a clutch pedal. For enthusiasts who love classic styling but spend time in congested cities or on long road trips, an automatic transmission dramatically improves comfort without changing the coupe's unmistakable exterior appearance. Even my friend Timmy once claimed automatics are magic boxes. Considering he accidentally installed windshield wipers backwards on his pickup, we politely accepted his scientific analysis. The chassis philosophy follows the same practical approach embraced by many successful street rods. Rather than creating a museum artifact that spends its life on a trailer, this coupe was clearly assembled with regular driving in mind. A properly integrated V8 and automatic combination delivers relaxed cruising characteristics while preserving the lightweight proportions that have always made the Model A enjoyable behind the wheel. The classic two-door coupe body remains one of the most desirable shapes produced during the era, offering a compact footprint, excellent visibility, and graceful roofline that has aged remarkably well. Visually, the exterior makes no attempt to hide. Finished in vibrant yellow, the coupe immediately commands attention wherever it appears. Instead of disappearing among rows of conservative classics, it celebrates individuality without abandoning its unmistakable 1930 identity. The contrasting brown and tan interior creates a warm atmosphere that complements the exterior rather than competing against it, giving occupants an inviting cabin, blending vintage inspiration with custom craftsmanship. Meanwhile, my neighbor Bob insists yellow cars are easier for aliens to track from orbit. Bob also wears 2 pairs of glasses when reading parking signs, so we'll let scientists investigate that theory.